Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Speaker of Lok Sabha, Om Birla, lauds the contribution made by former Lok Sabha Speaker, late Purno A. Sangma, towards strengthening parliamentary democracy and constitutional practices. KHADC Deputy Chief Executive Member G. Marthong presents a deficit budget of Rs 95,130. Market Committee and Special Committee appointed on Ilaka Affairs for improvement of the KHADC establishment, management and control of market. And now the news in detail. The Speaker of Lok Sabha, Om Birla, today lauded contribution made by former Lok Sabha Speaker, late Purno A. Sangma, towards strengthening parliamentary democracy and constitutional practices. Addressing the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly during his maiden visit to the state, Om Birla said it is a matter of pride that Meghalaya has produced such a wonderful parliamentarian and asked the people to take inspiration from him. During the course of his speech, Om Birla described Meghalaya as one of the most beautiful states in the country, not just in the northeast but in the entire country. Noting that Meghalaya is set to celebrate its 50th anniversary of statehood next year, Om Birla extended his best wishes towards the citizens of the state. He also highlighted modern India's role in the growth and development of the idea of democracy around the world. He urged all present to make best use of information technology at the same time working to address the digital divide. Om Birla, who is on a 2-day visit, was given a warm welcome by the Meghalaya Speaker Metba Lingdor, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, his cabinet colleagues and Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma before addressing the members of the Assembly. After addressing the House, the Speaker took a group photo with the 60 members of the Meghalaya legislators at the premises of the Assembly at Rilbong in Shillong, surrounded by whispering pines.
इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन के साथ का अधिक उपयोग किया गया है। आज से जुड़े आईसीटी के उपयोग के कार्य से शीघ्र और सुगमता आई। कोरोना के समय
The Speaker, along with the state MLAs, rushed to see the new assembly building at Mount Yangdyang in the new Shillong town, which is under hectic construction. On the second day, Birla will inaugurate the outreach and familiarization program for local bodies of the state of Meghalaya and other northeastern states scheduled to be held at State Convention Centre, Pinewood Hotel, Shillong at 10 a.m.
लोकतंत्र की विधायी संस्थाएं सशक्त हो, मजबूत हो, सार्थक चर्चा हो, संवाद हो, सभी माननीय प्रतिनिधि अपनी बात सदन के माध्यम से सरकार तक पहुंचाएं और किस तरीके से हम इन लोकतांत्रिक संस्थाओं में चर्चा संवाद के माध्यम से समाज के अंतिम व्यक्ति का कल्याण कर सकें। इसके लिए आज यहाँ के मेघालय की विधानसभा के माननीय सदस्यों से चर्चा हुई, संवाद हुई। कल पंचायत राज ऑटोनोमस डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल, सोशल वर्कर और लोकल बॉडीज के लोगों के साथ चर्चा होगी, संवाद होगी। किस तरीके से हम सभी चुनी हुई संस्थाओं को सशक्त, मजबूत, जवाबदेह बना सकते हैं, किस तरीके से कार्यपालिका जवाबदेही से साथ काम करे ताकि इन संस्थाओं के माध्यम से समस्याओं का समाधान हो सके। मैं मेघालय विधानसभा के अध्यक्ष जी, राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, जो यहाँ पर नए विधानसभा भवन की शुरुआत की है। और ये नया विधानसभा का भवन का पूरा करने का इनका संकल्प, जब इस राज्य की स्थापना के 50 वर्ष होंगे तब नए विधानसभा भवन के अंदर सभी माननीय विधायक यहाँ बैठक, चर्चा, संवाद करेंगे और इस 50 साल की यात्रा में मेघालय कितना प्रगति और विकास की ओर बढ़ा उसकी भी चर्चा होगी। और मैं कह सकता हूँ कि मेघालय उत्तरी पूर्व के इन सभी राज्यों में निरंतर प्रगति की ओर है। यहाँ की गौरवशाली सांस्कृतिक परंपराएं, यहाँ की विरासत को इन्होंने सजे हुए, संभाले हुए हैं। और निश्चित रूप से मैं कह सकता हूँ आने वाले समय में ये मेघालय उत्तर पूर्व नहीं पूरे देश का एक प्रमुख राज्य बनेगा, जहाँ देशी विदेशी पर्यटक भी आएंगे और हम यहाँ पर टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट का एक हब बनाने में कामयाब होंगे।
सर, राजनीति में अपराधीकरण पर अंकुश को लेकर के काफ़ी चर्चाएं होती हैं और पंचायती राज व्यवस्था में भी ये बात लागू होती है, इस बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
इसके लिए समय समय पर इलेक्शन कमीशन भी नियम प्रक्रिया बनाता रहता है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी समय समय पर डायरेक्शन दिए और निश्चित रूप से राजनीति में अपराधीकरण नहीं होना चाहिए, ये सभी लोगों का मानना है। अब इसको कैसे रोका जा सकता है, इसके लिए लगातार प्रयास कर रहे हैं। और मुझे लगता है कि क्योंकि प्रतिनिधियों को जनता चुनती है, इसलिए जनता का निर्णय सर्वमान्य होता है, सर्वोपरि होता है। और मैं मानता हूँ कि धीरे धीरे इस देश से राजनीति में अपराधीकरण कम होता जा रहा है और इसको और कम करने की आवश्यकता है।
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC Deputy Chief Executive Member G. Marthang today presented a deficit budget of Rs 95,130 for the year 2021 to 2022. Presenting the budget on the first day of the council budget session, Marthang informed the House that the expenditure was projected Rs 239 crore 14 lakhs 49,070, while the estimated revenue is put at Rs 239 crore 13 lakhs 53,940. Deputy CM said that there is a deficit in the budget estimate since the proposed expenditure is higher than the council's revenue receipts. He, however, assured the House that the executive committee will try its best to find ways and means to improve the revenue generation of the council.
Kecuali siapa akan dikunjungi kemarin balon habisnya melakukan forest. Namun kerjanya juga kita sivil ketua inomple forest department. Kami menentang ialah kalau kita ekibalat yo ialah masukkan dalam aktivitas administration of justice and judicial department. Apa kami kerja? Karena
Chief Talon Fellow Judicial Officer Nongtre Iwait Jinokam Kerikna Susu Nandan Kampanjala Yakarkom Council Alor Action Executive Committee Adin Hat Saniba Walai Juno Sakaway was additional jobs.
On another note, speaking on the matter of generating revenue through cultural tourism, Shri Marthong said that the Executive Committee intends to preserve and promote the culture and tradition of the Khasis while at the same time explore ways of creating avenues whereby the committee can initiate steps to introduce the concept of cultural tourism to generate revenue for the council and create employment opportunities for the people of the state. Shri Marthong further went on to inform the House that from the grants received by the EC under the excluded areas for the year 2019 to 2020, the committee has decided to allocate funds for development of tourist spots such as Bishop Falls in Maulai, Nokwar, and Marai Kapon in Sora, second phase, Market Complex in Riangdo, Barnihat and Morankaneng, and the Khasi Traditional Medicine Institute, third phase, and others. Shri Marthong concluded his presentation by informing the House that the EC has appointed a Market Committee and Special Committee on Ilaka Affairs, which have been entrusted to improve the Khasi Hills Autonomous District establishment, management and control of market, Second Amendment, Regulation Bill 2021, and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2021, respectively, which also includes the Khasi Hills Autonomous District nomination and election of the SAM, Deputy SAM and electors of Nongstoin SAMship Third Amendment Bill 2021.
Motion moved is that we be granted to introduce the Khasi Hills Autonomous District administration of the Meghalaya Second Amendment Bill 2021. So leave to introduce the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council administration of the Meghalaya Second Amendment Bill 2021 next ground. Please introduce the amendment bill now.
Assessments are introduced Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2021.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District administration of the Meghalaya Second Amendment Bill 2021 has now been introduced. Please move for the consideration of the amendment bill.
The Chief Executive Officer, Shillong Municipal Board, has informed all residents within the Shillong municipal area to register their pet dogs with the municipal board and to obtain dog tags on payment of Rs 200 only. All pet owners are to ensure that their dogs are not straying in public places or roads. Dogs found without tags will be treated as strays and necessary action will be taken as per Municipal Act. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.